What's up, guys? My name is Robert Drake, and I'm signing on. And today, this is a DCC piece of equipment. Digitrax. Let's move the throw. DCS. DCS 50. I have no idea what that stands for. I know DCS stands for. I don't know what it stands for in MTH. But you've got your main keypad here, like your exit, switch, power, and program. You have the locomotive deal there, jump, MU, steps, bell, 1, 4, 7, CV, horn or whistle, 2, 5, 8, and 0. Trace has for lights. CVWR, which weighs C, 9, 6, 3. Okay, I'm going to start up the engine I have on right now, my only DC engine. For right now, I'm getting ready to start it up. Okay, so when I plug this in, we're going to see we have power. Okay, now and let's say we have, I've already got one here. I have a fake address. This belongs to no engine. Okay, let's say we just got done in running with that engine. Okay, so now then, we're going to have to hit loco, and the number I have this set into is 0, 3, loco, move it to brake, power. Okay, what's going on here? Why aren't we hearing sounds? Maybe if I hit forward. There we go. Now then, that is the ES44 AC Gevo. Weirdest horn I've ever heard. Oh, it might help if I move it forward. That was a very long train. I have to hit lights for my charging lights to come on. Here's a good example. This has the charging lights and headlight and rear light. But in order for them to come on, you have to hit 0 and they come on. I want to clear these cars out of the way because they're in the way. That one came off the track, so I'm not even worried about it. And 6 handles of volume. But we're getting ready to get this engine rolling, so. Well, I don't know if you can hear it, but I got it turned down where you can hear me talk. Okay, so when you start out, you want to make sure when you first power up the locomotive, you want to make sure your direction switch is on brake. Then you can either move it forwards or backwards. Okay, now I'm getting ready to move it forward. Our crossing gate is way up there, so I want to make sure our fake little people know, scaled people know the train is coming. So yeah, that's fine. Okay, one couple. give it some speed. Now then, let's say I want to go back to that locomotive that was just running. I'm going to hit loco. Let me see here. I'm going to hit loco again. And I'm going to hit forward. Slow it down just a little. Fudge. Fudge and sticks. Alright. So I'm going to hit loco. Hit the address it has. Hit loco. And it would be starting up. Now, it has no effect on that engine because there is the... See, I'm just throttled up and there's nothing to run there. That's a fake deal. Okay, so if I want to go back to that engine, I hit 0, 3, loco, and now I've got full function of this locomotive again. Okay, so I'm going to bring it by, right there about to that gray terminal derailleur. And I'm going to power it down. I don't know if coupler has to do with all powering down locomotives, but it does work on this one, so. Once after this video, I'll move it to the back again, so we're going to hit 3. All the charging lights went off, but the ground light is still on. Alright, so that was a perfect demonstration of the GEVO, and there's going to be a better review coming out for this engine because it really needs it. So, when you're done, you hit track power. There's no more power to the track, and you unplug it. And I like to keep the cord right there. So I'm Robert Drake, and I'm signing out.